We're looking at Odysseus, which pitches itself as a self-hosted AI workspace. Great premise. The setup, though, immediately starts auditioning for a slapstick role.
The repo page is clean enough, but the real test is whether this thing actually boots without a seance. So I moved past GitHub and tried the recommended startup path.
Credit where it's due. It is a real fast API app with SQL Alchemy, SQLite, Docker Compose layers, and Chroma-backed RAG plumbing. So not fake demo vaporware, just very dependent on invisible side quests. Dependencies installed, setup completed, and the server came up on port 7000. That's the good news. The bad news is the app immediately tells you there are more prerequisites than it admitted. What actually shows up in the browser is a login page, version 1.0.0. So yes, it launches. But the front door appears before the docs really explain the building. Startup logs are where the roast earns its paycheck. ChromaDB on localhost 8100 isn't there, so vector RAG, memory, and tool indexing all complain and fall into degraded mode. That's classic developer experience comedy. The app boots just enough to look successful, while core AI features are quietly wheezing off stage because another service never RSVP'd. And my favorite weird touch: setup prints a temporary admin password straight into the terminal. Useful, yes. Also a very bold way of saying, security later, vibes now. Final verdict: runnable, visible, but underdocumented, and surprisingly fragile.